Often when there's talk about immigration enforcement and ICE, people think of raids at a business or immigrants arrested at the border. But local jails run by cities and local police play a significant role in the federal government's process. Here's how that works. The process starts with an arrest. An arrest could stem from something violent, like domestic violence or murder, or a property crime. But a person might also be arrested for failing to pay a traffic ticket. In Nevada, an unpaid ticket can escalate to a bench warrant, which is grounds for going to jail. In jails such as the Clark County Detention Center, run by the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department, a person may be interviewed to determine whether he or she might be undocumented. Metro has a voluntary agreement with ICE called 287G, which involves Metro officers receiving special training so they can carry out some of the duties of ICE officers. That includes interrogating people about their immigration status and transporting them to an ICE detention center. Those suspected of being in the country illegally are checked through ICE's database. ICE or a 287G officer employed by Metro can issue a detainer to a jail. That's a written request to the local law enforcement agency to notify ICE as soon as possible when an undocumented immigrant is released from criminal custody, and to maintain that person in custody for up to 48 hours beyond when they would normally be released on the underlying charges. That immigration hold allows ICE time to pick up the inmate and take him or her to a detention center with the intent to deport the person. Although most jails in the state do not formally have 287G agreements with ICE, municipal jails such as the Las Vegas City Jail and the Henderson Detention Center routinely report suspected undocumented immigrants in their custody to ICE and honor ICE's detainer requests. Municipal jails house people charged with misdemeanor offenses within city limits, so a significant number of deportation cases that involve inmates at these jails may involve traffic or low-level offenses alone. ICE officers pick up inmates who have detainers and transport them to detention facilities, such as ICE's private facility in Pahrump, or the Henderson Detention Center, or Washoe County Jail. While some immigrants fight deportation in court cases that can take months or years, others are quickly deported back to their country of origin. More than 3,400 people were deported in 2018 by the ICE field office that includes Nevada, Idaho, Utah, and Montana. For more coverage on immigration policy and deportation cases in Nevada, read the Nevada Independent.